Hello, sweathearts. It's showtime. This is the tutorial for Stuff Like That There by Bette Midler from the motion picture For the Boys. A little Broadway flavor to this one. So we're going to start here, and we're going to present ourselves. As we start, we offer up that right hand, and we show the crowd, here we are. Switch that left hand, and here we are to get ready. It's a really nice slow intro, and we get to do some pantomiming with our hands. So we start alone. Oh, poor me. All alone in this world. Let me look. Where could our Prince Charming be? Who knows? Then a man, big muscles, came along, wrote my words like a song, and taught me a little bit about ecstasy. And we're going to take it down, and then we're going to snap it in together here. So, facing the front, we're alone in this world. Where could our Prince Charming be? Who knows? Then a man came along, changed my word like a song, and taught me a little bit about ecstasy. Tenderly, we take it down, and before we get anywhere naughty, we snap together with the hands on the hips. Good, time for the chorus. It goes right, left, double, right. And you're going to see a little flick side, but it's really kick, 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 and kick. Kick, 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 and kick. Jump out, jump in. Chest pops, and hip, and hip. So we're going to break that out nice and slow, just the feet. Right, left, double, right. Left, right, double, left. Out, in, hold, hold. Pop that right knee. Hip, and hip. Now with a little hop. Kick, kick, double, kick, 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 double, kick, out, in, hold, hold, hip, and hip. Now the hands are on the hips. That entire time as we kick, kick, double kick, 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 double kick. When we jump out, arms come out. They come back to the hips. And then we go chest, ta, pa, pa. And then we add a hip. Pa, pa, hip, and hip. Let's see that face in the front. Arms and feet together. We go. Kick, kick, double, kick, 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 double, kick, out, in, chest, pop, hip, and hip. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up to the mirror with a little jitterbug step. So we take that left hand on the fist, right on the hip, and the right finger in the little air for a little jitterbug move. And we're going to go right hop, left hop, right hop, left hop, up to the mirror. Right hop, left hop, right hop, left hop. Then we're going to step back. Step, knee, step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. And we're a little contraction there, a little jazz contraction. Pa, 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 up to the mirror we go. Pa, 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 pa. And the hand changes from the fist to the hip. So we're here, and we change. Hit, 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 hit. We do the same thing again up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we run back. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, and in. And there's accents in the music there. Pa, ta, facing the front. We do our second one. Pa, pa, stuff like that there. We take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, knee, knee, knee. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We run back, run out, and in. Repeat. Right, left, double, right, double, left, out, in, chest, stuff like that there. Again, pop, pop, double, left, right, double, out, in, chest. We take it up, jitterbug, 2, 3, with those knees, pa, pa, pa. On the second chorus here, we're going to take the knees again. Pa, 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 jazz hands. Stuff like that there. Pa, pa. Great, a little breakdown. We take it up to the left. We go. Sexy, 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 sexy. And the hands are just swimming here. And then we push back, 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 back. To the right. Pa, 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 pa. Back. Back, back, back. And we're having a little fun with the music here. We go right leg crosses. It was a board. A double Mickey, we drink for the icky. Pa. We're gonna get drunk for the icky. Da 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 da, for the icky. Pa. And we take it to the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And instead of the pushbacks, we run back again. Da 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 da, out in chorus. Let's see that face in the front. We said the second time through, jitterbug, 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 nink, 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 stuff like that there. Breakdown. T, ta, 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 push, 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 pa, 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 push, 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 cross, a boar, a double Mickey, we take a drink for the icky, pump to the front, dun 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 dun, dun 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 dun, bump, you got it, chorus, bump a 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 out in, just in, hit, hit, dun 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 dun, pa pa, stuff like that there, we go up, jitterbug, jitterbug, knees, pa ta ta, last time. Jitterbug, jitterbug, with the knees, pa, 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 pa. Big jazz hands, we take all the time here. Giving shoulders, right, left, and just as the beginning, we present ourselves. Right hand offers, left hand offers, and we finish with a pose of your choice. And that, my friends, is all the choreography. Let's dance it.